What is a vernier caliper? A vernier caliper is a tool used to measure the length, width, or depth of objects very precisely. It's more accurate than a regular ruler because it can measure very small distances. What are the parts of a vernier caliper? A vernier caliper has these parts. Main scale, this is the long ruler part with markings in centimeters and millimeters. Vernier scale, this is a smaller sliding scale that moves along the main scale. It has its own markings. Fixed jaws, these are the two jaws at the bottom used to hold the object. Movable jaw, thus jaw slides along the main scale. Depth bar, the thin bar slides out the back to measure depth. Locking screw, the screw locks the movable jaw in place. How to find its least count? The least count is the smallest measurement the caliper can take. To find it, you divide the value of one main scale division by the total number of divisions on the vernier scale. For example, if one main scale division is 1 mm and the vernier scale has 10 divisions, the least count is 1 divided by 10, which is 0.1 mm. How to find its error? The error is the difference between the 0 mark on the main scale and the 0 mark on the vernier scale when the jaws are closed. If the 0 marks don't match, it's called 0 error. If the vernier 0 is to the right of the main scale 0, it is a positive 0 error. If it is to the left, it is a negative 0 error. How to record its main scale and vernier scale reading? Main scale reading, look at the main scale and find the last millimeter mark before the 0 mark on the vernier scale. This is your main scale reading. Vernier scale reading, look at the vernier scale and find the line that perfectly matches up with the line on the main scale. This is your vernier scale reading. How to find the total reading? To get the total reading we use the formula, x plus y multiplied by least count, where x and y are main scale and vernier scale reading respectively. Then, you need to consider the 0 error. If there is a positive 0 error, you must subtract the 0 error from the total reading. If there is a negative 0 error, you must add the 0 error to the total reading.